Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, the viewers. In front of me, Vivo iQOO U5x, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad things for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher, so just download it from the Play Store and open. Click agree and continue. Here choose your favorite apps, click OK, and great. So here we have our favorite apps on the home screen, and on the right up panel we have alphabetical line, and using this alphabetical line we can easily fast for any applications. For example, if you want to find Play Store, just tap your finger on the alphabetical line, scroll down, and here you will see the Play Store. So I have opened the photos, so sorry. So drag it to P, and here you will see Play Store, photos and phone. If you want to find the YouTube, just drag it to Y, and here you will see the YouTube. So it's really easy to use, and if you will try alphabetical line, you will save for everyone. So alphabetical line is the best tool to find applications. I know it, just try it. So open the Smart Launcher 6. Smart Launcher 6 is the launcher on the second place in my humble top. So just open it and let it set up. So it's very easy way to set up this launcher. You can pay for premium, but you can use it completely for free, so don't think about it. Wait a while, and great. So here we have really beautiful interface. Here we have really beautiful fonts, really beautiful icons, and really great and handy apps grouping features. So here we have contacts, internet, games, media, utilities, and settings folders, and all your apps will be grouped by groups automatically. You don't need to group it handily. So you just need to use this launcher, open the main menu, and this way you will open you can easily find any application. But of course, if you need normal search, so you have normal search here and normal search and smart search. So it's very easy to use, and you need to try it. Okay, on the first place in my top, in my humble top, is Microsoft Launcher. I don't know why, but I am using this launcher years. This launcher, of course I can explain why I love this launcher, why I like it. First reason is the Glance panel. In Glance, I have news and I have widgets panel. So here you can set up all your widgets in the way you want, and you don't need to scroll between thousands of applications. So Glance panel was here earlier than iPhones add the Glance panel on their devices. So as you can see, iPhones has this Glance panel too, but Microsoft was created this panel earlier. So it's really great feature, and I suggest you to try it. And here we have widgets, and in main menu we have hide apps feature. It's really great feature. In the main menu we have alphabetical line, and killer feature is gestures. So just open gestures, click two fingers swipe up, for example. Two fingers swipe up, apps, and for example I want to open calculator using swipe from down to up using two fingers. So in this way, great, as you can see I have opened the calculator using just simple swipe up, and it's really great. So if you like this launcher, just set this launcher as default, click Microsoft Launcher, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.